This is the virtual tour of 900 Wescott Square, apartment 201, here on November 10th, 2021. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath unit. Real nice spacious kitchen. Kitchen is about 15 by 12 or something like that. I can't really remember, but nice cabinets. Take a look at the appliances here real quick. Everything nice and clean. And of course, that's the way we expect them too when you move out. Refrigerator, nice and clean as well. Once again, lots of cabinets, right? So should be plenty of room to. There's the sink, dishwasher, good and clean. And even underneath the sink, we got a nice clean area under the sink. It's not one of these areas that, you know, if you've been in some apartments, they're all falling apart. But we'll go back to the front door and we'll just kind of walk around. There's the buzzer to let your guests in. Also, Amazon, when they come in, they buzz themselves in so they can bring the things right to your door. This room here is like 12 by 24. It looks a lot bigger in person than in the video. And then we'll kind of pan around. Breakfast bar, that's the kitchen we just looked at. Once again, 3-bedroom, 1 bath. We'll go down the hallway. And it does have central air, by the way, but it also has a window air, if you happen to see the window air, but it also has central air. Brand new carpet this time around, just got put in the other day. All these rooms, this is about an 8 by 10 foot room. Smallest bedroom that there is. Closets are pretty standard, just a shelf and a bar. Of course, carpet and paint in the closet, but so nothing fancy there. The master bedroom, if you call it that, is 11 by 12, and plus the closet. So I'm giving you the dimensions of the bedrooms themselves, not the closet attached. Mini blinds on the window. It's dark outside. You can't really see much. But there is a park straight in the back. You know, in other buildings you can kind of see, but if I'm looking straight out at the, I don't know, there's some gymnasium, not really gymnasium equipment, but the stuff for kids to run around on. This bedroom is a wire shelf. Once again, all bedrooms got new carpet, and this one, once again, is a master bedroom, you could call it, 11 by 12. This one here is about, I think it's about 8.5 by 13. I'm going from memory here, but brand new carpet. Once again, the closet's similar to all of them. Shelf and a bar. And then carpet. Mini blinds on all the windows, if you notice, and those are all brand new mini blinds. Cordless, we just put them up here just the other day. So we'll head towards the, there's a linen closet here. Hopefully I'm not getting you guys too dizzy if you're watching it. I know sometimes you're watching the video. I try to go slow, but it gets boring for me too. So when I go fast, sometimes it makes you dizzy. But anyway, that's the linen closet, you can say. Bathroom, double vanity, so everybody can brush their teeth at the same time. Toilet, hopefully it's clean when we come across here. Look at that. Tub, there's your toe step stopper. Everything's shiny, mostly shiny. We give you a curtain rod, and if you notice, a roll of toilet paper. So when you come in here, after moving all your stuff, you can use the bathroom right away if you need to take a shower. There's it's hardwood floors except for the bedrooms. There's the window air, but once again, we're going to look in this closet, and we're going to see that it's got some central air in here as well. So you can kind of see that. But as we walk to the door again, we'll pan this kitchen one more time from this side. Lots of cabinets, lots of counter space, good clean appliances. Everything works. 100% wood on all these cabinets too. So that's what it's, and we got these fire stop things up there. If you read about them, they're actually pretty slick. But that's the virtual tour of 900 Wescott Square, apartment 201, here on November 10th, 2021. Previous tenants were here over 10 years, or almost 10 years. They liked it so much, and now it's ready for the next tenant. By the way, this is the, I guess I didn't show you this, when you first come in the closet, first come in the unit, there's, once again, it's a pretty standard shelf, but it's there to hang your coats when you first come in. So that's a virtual tour of 900 Wescott Square, apartment 201 here in Eagan, Minnesota, 55123, here on November 10th, 2021.